Gonna learn what is an if statement, elif statement and else statement in Python programming. Let me tell you, an if statement is a condition statement used to check a condition and execute it. If the condition holds true, note it down. If the condition holds true, then only it will execute it. And if statement is also a control flow statement. Let me give you an example. If x is equal to 10, 10 is our integer. If x is greater than 0 means if integer is greater than 0 colon print x is positive. Now let's see if our integer is greater than 0 means if our 10 is greater than 0. Yes, our integer is greater than 0. But what if we change this integer to minus 10? It will be more exciting. Let's see. It will not execute it because we have learned that if statement will only execute if the condition is true. Now let's talk about elif statement. Elif statement is the short form of else if statement. But what is an elif statement? Elif statement is used to check multiple conditions in Python programming. Now elif statement, elif x equals to 0 colon print x is equal to int. Int means integer and close it. But our x is not equal to integer. Let's do it to 0 and see what will happen. Oh yeah, there is an error. We always need to write this x in capital. And now it will execute. And here we go. X is equal to the integer. Why? Because elif statement note that x is equal to 0, then print x is equal to the int. Now let's talk about else statement. Else statement is an optional code and provides a block of code to execute when none of providing if and elif statement is true. Else statement is when these both if and elif code doesn't work. Let me give you an example. Else print print x is negative means if our integer is negative, then it will print x is negative. X is equal to the int. Why? Because here elif statement notes that x is equal to 0. But what if we change this to minus 5? Let's see. X is negative. Why? Because both the condition if and elif doesn't count this and execute this, and else statement is when is required. Thank you for watching this channel. Do like, subscribe.